Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics, a project folder and code. Open VS Code, then add your workspace folder so files appear in Explorer. Install Git integration and the language extension for your stack. This enables linting and IntelliSense. Once done, create a simple file like index.js or main. Py to trigger tooling. Make sure to configure settings. JSON minimally. Set tab size, format on save, and the default terminal. These first actions get you productive fast. You'll now work inside VS Code. Open the integrated terminal and run your build or run command to see output inline. Set breakpoints in the gutter and start the debugger. This attaches to your process and shows call stacks and variables. Use the problems pane to fix lint errors and run the formatter to keep code consistent. Once you connect source control, commit frequently. Make sure to explore snippets and tasks to automate repetitive steps. You're close. Commit your changes, push to remote, and confirm CI triggers. Export or sync your settings so the same environment appears on another machine. If something fails, restart VS Code first. That fixes many extension load issues. If problems persist, disable extensions selectively to isolate the culprit. Check the Output and Developer Tools console for errors, and reinstall the extension or reset settings. One clear troubleshooting tip: reset the user settings file to default to eliminate config corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.